like them. Jamming on the beat. It serves me out and doing like them.
Hi guys, hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb. Welcome, glad to have you. Yeah, I got this little flap of hair going crazy. If you're new here, I'm Deb, and I do all kinds of unboxings. And today I have my Allure box. Now, they did raise the price on these, but those of us that were getting it before are grandfathered in. So I don't know how long that's going to last, you know, because I'm sure eventually they're going to up us all. But I believe it's $29.99, the grandfather price, and then I think it's $34.99. I will put it on the screen because I really can't remember. Because I get charged every 3 months, so and you save money if you get paid for a year or 3 months or whatever. Okay, this is what it looks like. And you open it up, and it always has tissue paper there. And then they give you these cards to let you know what else is going on in their stuff. And then you have this little booklet. And this is where your products are. Okay, so now with this subscription, you're guaranteed 3 full-size products. And sometimes we get more. You know, we just do. And I think it's like 5 to 6 items, something like that. So I am going to just go from the beginning. Okay. First thing I got is, nope. Here it is. No, I just lost the nail already. Anastasia Beverly Hills. And it is Brown Whiz. And this is an eyebrow pencil. And you have the spoolie on one end. You know, spoolie on one end. And then you have the, and it's, honestly, it's very dry. If you don't really push down, it's not going to leave much. So just be aware of that. And this is valued at $26. I mean, that's what they really are. But it's still, you find yourself saying, but would you pay that? No, I would not. Okay, then we got this how do you say that? NULASTIN Lash Follicle Fortifying Serum. And this is full size. And this is valued at $84. Yeah, $84. I'm like, no. No. And I'm terrified of getting anything too close to my eyes, as sensitive as my eyes are. But this is what she looks like. And, of course, you know. And you just, and you can use these on your eyebrows too. Or so I've been told. But $84. I'm kind of, nah. I wouldn't pay that. I wouldn't pay that for any makeup product. Because I'm a tightwad. Quite honestly, I'm a tightwad. Okay, then we got this. And this is Wow Color Security Shampoo. And I've been wanting to try this. I have. And it had a safety seal, but I did take it off. And I smell nothing, which is good because it won't clash with your perfume. But I smell nothing, so. And right now, believe it or not, I'm out of shampoo. And so I will be using that immediately. Let you know how it did. And that is valued at $24 for 250 milliliter, and we got 75 mil. So about a third of that. Okay, then the next thing we got is Ofra eyeliner pencil. And it looks like this. And it's in black. Now see, I would use that for my eyebrows too, so. I don't know why they suddenly decided we needed all that, but I can remember a day you didn't do anything like that with your brows. And that is valued at $13. And that was full size also. Then we have RealHer Magic Black to Pink Watery Lip Stain. Why you love it. Don't be afraid of this spooky shade. That's the magic of it. In it. Tube. It's a glittery gray hue. But on the lips, the pH reactive formula works with your body chemistry to transition to a pretty pink tint. And it is valued at $24, and it looks like this. Yeah, like that. That's what it looks like. It feels kind of weird. Like when you're going like this, it feels weird. I'm going to tell you that it does. It feels weird. Something kind of satisfying about it. I don't know. But maybe I'm a perv. I don't know. But it feels weird, but kind of satisfying. Let's see what this does. I like the color of it. But I already had a little bit of color on there. But I can imagine my sister's face when I pull that out to put it on my lips. She'd be going, oh my God, she went off. My sister never knows what I'm going to do. She never knows. And that one was $24. I don't know if I told you. And then we have something from our friends from Sephora, which is, you can guarantee if it's from Sephora, it's going to be tiny. They always have the worst advents. You can guarantee it. Okay. And this is Super Brightening Serum. This is a face serum. And it's Glow. And it's $22 for 30 milliliters. And I'm assuming this is, oh no, this is 8 milliliters. I figured it would only be, so about a third of that. Right around there. I'll do the math, put it on the screen for you. I always do. And then we have this sample size of Tocca. Tocca. The bottle fell out. It's right here. And it's $86 for 50 milliliters. But I kind of like it when they give you these little bottles because you get quite a few uses out of them. Because I spray it on my clothes, I don't spray it on my body because I'm allergic to so many things. And I'll be honest with you, I can't hardly smell it. But then I've been sick again, so yeah, I've been in bed for a week again. Went to the rheumatologist. She put me on steroids because my hip was doing so bad. And I went and watched the kids. They had the sniffles, and I came back and I got it bad. Then the last thing we have is whitening strips. No slip whitening strips. 4 strips. 1 professional, 1 express. It's for 2 treatments. That's what she looks like. And it's $45.99 for 21 treatments. Now, you can do that what you will. And if I'm not mistaken, that brings our total up to right around 160 bucks. So, this is October. So, you know, do the YouTube stuff. Like, subscribe, come on back, join us. I have all kinds of unboxing to do because I got some making up to do, as usual. But I got some really interesting stuff coming up, so you really want to subscribe and come on back, enjoy. Bye.